Welcome back to WebPro Education, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can generate music for free using just a simple prompt. The first thing you do is go to your browser and open up Udio. As you can see here, click on Udio. After clicking on it, this is what you shall see. This is the homepage of the site. You see you have a lot of varieties here, but today we'll focus on only creating music using a prompt. At the top you shall see the create section. You can see this search bar with the create section. Just click on it and write a specification. I'll just write a simple dance song. Let's say a dance song, okay? And then you click on create. Now when you click on create, it will start generating your music. It may take a few minutes, but this is what will be the end result. You can see you have these two songs. These songs are non-existent, so there is no song like this. It is purely generated by this AI, and the song is not copyrighted or produced by another person in whatsoever manner. So just come and click on it to hear how it sounds. You can hear that's our first song, and then this is our second song. You can hear. There it is. So it is a very nice AI tool. If you have any lyrics you may want to be included in the song, just put the genre of the song you want and then put the lyrics after, and the song will be generated for you. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like, and if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and it will be highly appreciated. Thank you for watching and good luck.